Hello everyone, today we are finishing the Zodiac series. So this will be my third series. We are finishing off. I've already done the cocktail series, gemstone series, and this is the Zodiac series done. So I'll announce at the end of the video, hopefully I don't forget, what the next series is gonna be. I'm excited. It's kind of basic, but I'm happy about it. Yeah. Oh, my battery's dying already. Are you joking? I'm just gonna apply some of my hangover primer because I just want to let it sink in for a moment because my skin feels dry. Dry AF. Oh, I love this so much. This is like one of the best primers of all time. Oh, it just smells so good. Sagittarius. Comment below if you were a Sagittarius. Honestly, Too Faced. I have a sales pitch for you. Alright? Hangover primer, except all over your body. Like a hangover body butter that smells like this, that feels cooling like this, that shines like this. Hit me up. Maybe I've had too much coffee. So I will leave a link. I just got an email and I clicked on it. Don't you hate that when you're like going around your phone and you're clicking things and then you're like going to click an app at the top of your screen, then someone like gives you a notification, you click into the it's a pet peeve. Anyway, I'll link below all of the Zodiacs so you can find whatever one you want to watch. I've done every single one except Sagittarius, which is what we're doing today. So Sagittarius, that's my dad. My dad is a Sagittarius. Element, fire. Quality, mutable. Color is blue. Day is Thursday. Ruler is Jupiter. It says that their strengths are they're generous, idealistic. They have a great sense of humor. That's very true to my dad. Weaknesses, promises more than they can deliver. Very impatient. Will say anything, no matter how undiplomatic. They love freedom, travel, philosophy, and being outdoors. And they dislike clingy people, being constrained, off-the-wall theories, and details. They're curious and energetic. They love to just be free. They love to experience as much as possible. They're curious. They love humor. All of these different things. I have no idea what I'm going to do today. I guess I might do something blue. I feel like we haven't really done much blue in this entire series, so maybe we'll play for it a little bit, play with it a little bit. I think my Cancer was slightly blue, but it was a very glam, simple, pretty look. So I don't know what we're gonna do today. They're idealistic, generous, great sense of humor. I think I might do something quite bold and fun, humor, fun. I don't know, but because I'm using blue, I feel like I've done a little bit of royal blue lately. Like in my latest Too Faced tutorial, that was blue. I did royal blue like with some other look. I can't even remember now. Oh, the one where I did like the lime green in a corner. So I'm not gonna do royal blue. I'm gonna go for a different blue. Now my memory card is full. Can I catch a break? So I've decided today I'm gonna play with the Tropic palette. I love this palette so much. This is Natasha Denona. And I just feel like some of these top colors could be really cool mixed with like the neutrals and stuff too. I think I wanna do something glam, bold, and fun. So yeah, we're just gonna experiment with it all. And hopefully I can make my Sagittarius followers proud. I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation of all time. The NARS Natural Radiance foundation. I'm using the shade Punjab if it wants to squirt out. And I did already wet my sponge and it has already vanished. I left it in my bathroom. Honestly, this foundation's so beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. If you guys saw my like yearly favorites, you already know. Well, if you know me at all, you already know. And then I'm going to use the shade Almond of the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use just under my eyes to conceal my under eye bags. I've been enjoying this. So hydrating. So weird how at first I was just like but now it's kind of got to be one of my go-to products. It's just really nice looking. It looks so smooth and just radiant. I really like that. I like conceal this friggin' scab over my chest. I don't even know what this is. It's not a pimple. It's just like this random scab. I don't know what happened. And I'm going to whip on some of my Veil Translucent Setting Powder by Hourglass because I haven't used it in a while. And I don't even know if I like it that much, but I remember using it in a video, obviously. I think I did like a full face first impression. And then I started trying it over in Paris and stuff when I was with Annalie because I think it was this one anyway because I forgot mine. I don't even know how I feel about it, to be honest. I don't know if it's worth the money. I guess it's not to me if it's not immediately amazing. I do really like the Too Faced one, but I thought I'd try this today again. I'm just gonna spritz on some all-nighter just to soak up any excess. I just drank some and I'm going to do my eyebrows and then we're going to go in with the eye makeup. I don't know what we're going to do on the face. Maybe we'll just see how it goes. I feel like Sagittarius is like very underrated. Like I feel like there's not certain aspects of a Sagittarius that everyone like talks about. Like everyone talks about like Leos, everyone talks about Scorpios, but like no one ever talks about Sagittarius. So I'm like just trying to do you guys proud and I just don't know what angle to take. But idealistic, like to me, idealistic, I'm gonna think of something like glam and beautiful and sexy, but I also want it to be fun for the humor. I'm really confused. Okay, I'm going to use Browsings today by Benefit. This is shade 3, just to fill in my eyebrows nice, just like my normal way. So I'm gonna do this in BRB. Alright, I used my P. Louise base in the shade 02, just all over my eyelids. I also used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. And now we're going to start with the eye makeup. Zoom you in. I'm going to start with the shade Pastel Melon, which is the very center shade, just to begin my crease. And then I'm going to start darkening it with the shade Fake Tan. So going with the lighter one. And this is a like domed crease brush, just to pack on the color and blend it out so it looks super soft. Going like right into those inner corners because I think I'm going to transition it darker on the outer crease. Now taking the shade Fake Tan, which is just a little bit more brown and a little bit darker, just kind of going over the outer crease. I'm using these like warm tones because I feel like it'll contrast the blue real nice. I'm going to go in with the shade Sahara, which is a little bit darker once again. And I'm going to run that in the outer crease as well, just slowly building up the colors. And then I'm going to take a dark brown eyeliner. This one here is called Stash. I'm just going to put that into my waterline. I haven't done a dark waterline in so freaking long. And then I'm going to take the shade Cocoa, which is the super dark brown on a pencil brush, and just smudge that right into the lower lash line and do a real smoky lower lash line, going all the way to the inner corner. I love this shade. Wow, it's so pretty. And then taking whatever's left on the brush I used in my crease, I'm just going to blend that a little bit. I want it to be super sexy and smoky and idealistic. I don't even know. I'm actually going to take that Cocoa shade with the pencil brush once again and just kind of like lightly apply this through the crease, because I might cut my crease a little. So I'm just like outlining with my pencil brush. There's the piece of fluff of the day every time. And then once we've kind of drawn it in, we're going to blend it. So I'm not too worried that it's a bit messy at the moment. Just going back in with the shade Sahara, which is the like mustardy browny shade, and just using that to blend. Alright, now let's get started on the blue. So I'm gonna go in with Laguna, I suppose. I don't know if this is wise. I mean, it's a fun blue, but wow. Oh yeah, that's cool actually. It's not as like scary as you would think. It's very pigmented. So I'm going to apply this all over the lid, up to the crease, and try to do it quite sharp. I might add some glitter in there too, so that it's like even sharper looking. It's so cool. So we're going to leave it blunt. I'll show you guys how I'm going to make it look more put together in a second. I love how like editorial this looks. Now I'm going to take a small brush. This is a lip brush. This is by Lit. Got like a darker blue, or this like bright blue. I don't know. There's too many choices. Madonna's pretty. Maybe I'll use Madonna. I feel like Madonna's the best. And I'm gonna draw a line on top of this. Attempt to anyway. This isn't gonna work. The brush is too thick, but now I'm committing. I'm just gonna bring it down into my inner lid a little bit at the front. Gonna wing it out at the edge. Ooh, I like that. Okay. It's good. I love how this glitter looks. It's so beautiful. Something a little bit fun and different. I'm going to use the shade Junkie from Urban Decay just along my lash line to darken my lashes before I do my mascara and everything. Just drawing like a kind of thin line, but I might smudge it a little. Just using my pencil brush to kind of blend it a little. Oh, I really like that. It's so subtle, but it just helps to kind of like, I don't know, make my lashes look a little bit thicker. Such a nice color. Wow. So I'm going to pop on my mascara and lashes and I will be right back. Let's see how it looks all done. Okay guys, I'm back. I popped on some of the Gold Digger lashes. I have not worn these in months, like a long time. So yeah, just like a nice kind of like semi-dramatic lash, but nothing too overpowering. I just wanted it to look really smoky because I really like the combination of like smoky and colorful. So it's like fun, but idealistic and stuff at the same time, maybe. Now I'm going to take my Too Faced Love Heart Bronzer. This is in the shade Sweet Tea with a jumbo face brush. And I'm going to just apply this to kind of like the higher points of my face, like my cheeks, nose, and like chin, forehead. Now I'm taking my MAC contour kit. I'm going to use the yellow shade. Do you guys remember when I used to do this all the time? Like the yellowish shade under my eyes just to brighten. We're going full glam. I'm just using a small face brush. By the way, if you keep hearing fart noises, it's not me. It is my chair rubbing against my desk. Just saying. Oh, I love this eye makeup. Like I feel freaking seductive, like watch out. And then of course we're going to contour as well. When do I not contour is the question. So I'm using the middle shade today with my contour fan brush. I'm just going to chisel out my cheekbones. just straight underneath. I really am loving this. I remember I had one like this from MAC years ago, but it was like, I don't know, branded different, but probably just like changed the packaging or something. I find that this method of contouring looks real natural because like the brush really just hugs the right place. We are gonna blush as well, and I'm gonna use my Jumbo Face brush again. I'm gonna use my Z palette. I feel like using, just stir myself, a peachy shade. Maybe this one, Style. I think this is by MAC. I'm trying real hard to get back into blush and it's working, like I'm loving it. And I'm rediscovering how much I freaking love MAC blushes. They're one of my favorite blushes of all time and I remember using them years ago on my channel. This color is so nice. It's just making me look even more chiseled, if you know what I mean. Like it really just like structures my face really nicely. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a shitload of blush, but it's a good color. It complements the blue. Now, highlighter, Sunset Glow by Chi Chi, which looks like this. We're gonna use a smaller brush. A detail face brush looks like this, and I'm gonna take some kind of like peachy color, maybe this one right here, this like peachy champagne-y goldy hybrid, and like let me just show you how pigmented this is. How many of you guys have picked this up? Comment below. Have you tried it yet? Did you get it? What do you think? Let me know, because I have raved about this and I want to know if you guys agree. I want my skin to look really fun and almost sweaty. That can represent the love for the outdoors that you guys apparently have. Just sweat. Highlighter sweat. I'm loving this makeup look. Okay, so now we've just got to finish off with a bit of a lip color, and I feel like probably doing something peachy. I don't think I've done like a peachy lip in a while, like a proper peach, you know. I'm gonna take the lip liner in the shade Jocelyn, who's named after my nana that passed away. Okay, so I've outlined my lips and I've just left the middle kind of bare. Now, maybe I'll use this Edward Bess lipstick. I don't even know if you can still get this in the shade Forbidden Flower. This is old. That's still right. Oh, it tastes weird. Yeah, that needs to be thrown away. So here is our Sagittarius look. What do you guys think? This could have worked. Wait, Aquarius. Aquarius was blue too. This could have worked for Aquarius as well, but I don't know. I just went off the color of Sagittarius. A bit of fun, a bit of, you know, sexy, a bit of idealistic. Great sense of humor. Do I look funny? No. And the colors kind of remind me of the outdoors. It looks like the ocean. The colors, like the warm colors of nature. I'm just talking shit right now, but anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this series. Comment below and let me know what your favorite zodiac sign was that I did in this whole series. I would love to know. I'm very curious. And for the next series, I think I'm going to do Colors of the Rainbow. You guys have no idea how many times this was requested, and I thought it could be a kind of like short but sweet series. There's like what, 7 colors in the rainbow? I hope I'm not like sounding stupid right now, but I thought I could just do like colors of the rainbow and really center some really fun, colorful looks around, you know, red, orange, yellow, etc. And just have a lot of fun with like glitters and pigments and creams, different colored lipsticks and all that kind of thing. So I think I might do some like monochromatic like looks, some super glam colorful looks, and just have a bit of fun with it. So I hope you guys are excited. It was requested hundreds if not thousands of times, and I just thought it was a really cute, simple but sweet idea, because like my previous ones have been a lot more like, I don't know, up to my own imagination, I guess. Like Zodiac, like it was just whatever I could come up with, whereas colorful colors, it's just literally like, here you go Shannon, you've got red, now go do your best. So I think it could be a bit of fun, and it'll push me out of my comfort zone once again and really get me to use a lot of color, and I want to try and use some neons and stuff like that. So I'm really excited, and I feel like people have been loving monochromatic looks lately. Like I screenshotted this one today because I was obsessed. You know, things like this. How beautiful. I have no idea who this is. I'm guessing it's that username down the bottom because this is on Pinterest. But a lot of monochromatic looks like that, where you're really just utilizing a couple of colors or one color and trying to make it look unique. So we're gonna see what we can come up with that series, and I don't know when I'm gonna start it, but probably in a couple of weeks or a month or something like that. I'm just gonna film a few other videos I've got planned first, and then we'll get started on that one. And then I've got a million amazing ideas for future ones as well. Some of the top ones were like animals, like birds of paradise, animals, nature, stuff like that. Another huge one that I was definitely going to do was like candy wrappers, so like chocolate wrappers and candies and lollies and stuff like that, which is a really cool idea. So there's a lot of really cool ones, but we're gonna do this colorful series because I just think it'll be really fun, and I feel like it'll like force me to be more clever with my technique because the color's already there. So it's like I've got to really make it look unique somehow. So I'm going to practice with my techniques and hopefully it can like make you be a bit better at makeup or something. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited. Thank you guys so much for your suggestions. There's so many amazing suggestions, and one day we will get there. Don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, hit on those notifications, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.